Meta is pushing the boundaries of technology once again. Along with AI chatbots voiced by celebrities, they've just unveiled a mind-blowing new photo editing feature powered by AI. Whether you're on Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, this new tool is set to change the way you edit photos forever. To a sneak peek at futuristic AR glasses, the social media giant is aiming to redefine how we interact with AI and augmented reality. Meta's new AI photo editing feature allows users to edit photos instantly with just a few commands. Imagine removing unwanted objects, adjusting lighting, or even transforming the background, all by simply telling the AI what you want. At Meta's latest product launch event, CEO Mark Zuckerberg introduced AI chatbots that could change the game. Imagine having conversations with AI-powered versions of your favorite celebrities. Yep, we're talking about Judi Dench, John Cena, and even Awkwafina. Zuckerberg believes that voice could become the primary way we interact with AI. He demonstrated this with a conversation featuring the voice of Awkwafina, and he's confident this approach is, well, just a lot better. Meta AI, which works like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, will be available across Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. It answers questions, writes messages, creates images, and even provides companionship, but there's a catch. Due to strict EU data protection laws, this cool feature won't be accessible in Europe. Meta reports that over 400 million people already use its AI every month, aiming to make it the most widely used AI assistant by year-end. But here's the twist. Many users might not even realize they're using Meta's AI, as it's seamlessly embedded into search functions across the apps. Critics, however, are raising eyebrows. Carolina Milanese from Creative Strategies pointed out that when we think of AI, Meta isn't the first brand to pop into our heads. And let's not forget, Meta has some big hurdles to clear, especially around privacy and trust. With all the data Meta's AI relies on from its platforms, there's serious concern, particularly in places like Europe, where privacy laws are strict. Now, if AI chatbots weren't enough, Meta also unveiled a prototype for its AR glasses called Orion. Imagine a world where your regular-looking glasses can display text messages, apps, and even let you make video calls, all in your field of vision. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, right? Although these AR glasses are still years away, Zuckerberg hopes they'll eventually replace smartphones. But for now, Meta is doubling down on their Ray-Ban smart glasses. These stylish specs act as earphones, snap pictures and videos, and will soon feature live translation. Recent reports highlight that Meta's AR glasses will also offer real-time navigation, making it easier to find your way around. Users have shared positive experiences, especially in gaming and interactive applications. Future developments may include health monitoring features, providing real-time fitness data and alerts. Additionally, there is potential for educational uses, transforming how students interact with learning materials. In the workplace, these glasses could revolutionize productivity by overlaying important information directly in your line of sight. Meta is banking heavily on AI, virtual and augmented reality applications to diversify its revenue streams. While profits from its advertising model on Facebook and Instagram are soaring, Meta is playing the long game, trying to convince investors and users alike that this AI and AR revolution is the future. So what do you think about Meta's AI-powered future? Are you ready to chat with an AI version of John Cena or use AR glasses instead of your smartphone? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching.